My boat!
Bean Zuko, you're really gonna get a kick out of this. The lotus tile was in my sleeve the whole time!
Ha! Ah!
Welcome back to Brick 2 Buddies. Today I will show you how to build Zuko and Iroh from Season 1 of Avatar The Last Airbender. To get Zuko's top knot, I used an arm grabbed onto a bar stud. Then I gave him Kai's head from Ninjago. I gave him the torso from the back of Darth Maul. The arms came from Rock Bad Man, but I switched out the hands for yellow to match the head. And the legs are from the Deep Sea Scuba Scooter set. Obviously for accessories, get him a couple of flame pieces. And now for Uncle Iroh. We just used a gray cheese slope for his bun. And the head of a cavalry lieutenant. His torso comes from Samurai X. His arms are gray, his hands are yellow, and his legs are gray as well. For Iroh's accessory, you can give him either a lotus tile or a teacup. And that concludes this week's video. If there is anybody else you would like me to build, make sure to comment down below. And hit the like button and subscribe while you're at it.